Oh, what? Awesome day. Now that I finally got cuckoos and run Scarnity, I will be able to watch it. Now I'm going to watch it. Don't watch it. Huh? Sit down. Just don't watch it. Scotty, scary questar will go. Scary, trust me. Oh my gosh. It's a ghost in the stairs. Now you told me to say scary questar will go. It's going to scare me? Just go watch it and see for yourself. Okay then. I better look at the front. Wait, what? Just put the disc in there and just watch it. Oh, fine. Guess I have to do everything here. Alright, let's see how scary this wiggle is going to be. Alright, please, wait for me. Alright, Christian, show me yourself. Oh. Oh no, what's the noise? Oh no, 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 I told you, Colorado Wolf.